Hey guys, it's Ashley and I'm back with another video. This time I wanted to show you guys some cool DIY projects I've been working on. They're specifically Dollar Tree items, so if you're new to Cricut, or maybe you started a Cricut specific business, that sort of thing, or you just like DIYing in general, this video is for you. Before we get started with the different projects, I wanted to say thank you so much for supporting the video, and if you like this kind of thing, make sure to hit the subscription and click the notification bell, because otherwise the videos may not show up in your feed. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I wanted to show you guys some really cool things that you can pick up at Dollar Tree, and they just really help you to create without spending a fortune. So the first thing I wanted to get started with is this pair of earrings that I'm wearing. I really love them. The cool thing about them is you can size them however you like. So if you don't like really huge earrings, you can size them to a size that feels more comfortable for you and would fit your daily life. I just wanted some like really fun like statement earrings. So I made this using Dollar Tree file folders, and they are from like a heavier duty plastic. I used that as the base and cut that out with my machine. And then I added in a layer of holographic vinyl to it. So the holographic vinyl sticks really well to it, and it gives it just like a little bit more character and fun. They made these with wood. You can make them with faux leather. You can make them with pretty much anything. So if you have paper from Dollar Tree, anything that you can think of, they're really adaptable. And the earring hooks I got from Michael's. I think it was like $1 for them. So it's really great because you can take one file folder and just a sheet of holographic vinyl and make a ton of them. So if you're looking, to start a business, that sort of thing, creating your own type of earrings out of stuff like that is, very cost effective and affordable. So it's a great one to start with. So the next item I'm really excited about, I saw this kind of like expensive version of a mirror, and it was really beautiful, and it had a leather strap to it, and I just thought, wow, that's such a pretty way to, keep something simplistic but have it look really, striking and beautiful. And how can I kind of like upgrade that just a little bit more? So I was thinking about it, and Dollar Tree carries these really beautiful, lovely mirrors, and this one is just like a plain black mirror. And then what I did is I took a strap from Michael's. They sell bags full of these like leather, or you can find faux leather straps, or even use a ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I just hot glued it to the outside, and then I bent it in the center so that way I could hang it straight from there. And I took some geometric designs that I found on Design Space, and I just sized them to fit the mirrors, and then I put them all in here individually. So it has a really beautiful like modern look, and it's very inexpensive. So the mirrors are just $1 themselves, and you could customize them perfectly to your home decor. I thought this was really lovely for like kind of a modern trendy kind of look. And so I went with 3 different designs on them, and I just thought they were so beautiful. And it's just, can you imagine all the different customization options for that? But if you're looking for like a very simple craft, it looks really expensive, updates your home decor, and then if you get bored with it, you can just change it out. You can take off the vinyl if you use removable vinyl, and just change it for the seasons, or add something different, or it would be just really perfect for a hallway, that sort of thing. So hopefully you enjoy that one. So the next item I wanted to mention is something I think is really cute as like a baby shower idea, gift idea for, new parents, or if you're just looking for, an item to recreate and sell that is very adaptable and it has a ton of different ways you can use it. Dollar Tree carries these adorable baby bibs, and these baby bibs are just blanks, and they have kind of like a plastic backing, and they carry the blue one and then this pink one. And you never know with Dollar Tree, they're always upgrading and coming up with new stuff. But I just thought these were so adorable. I just took some vinyl and, added one of the Design Space designs to it. And it's really cute. They're easy to make. They don't take very long. And if you're just like looking for something handy to make for, new parents, you can never have enough bibs. So I just thought this was cute. This is backwards. This one says cute as a bug. I'm going to have the links to all the patterns that I used sized specifically to Dollar Tree items in the description box, so make sure to check out the description box. You don't even have to do the work to size them down. You can go straight into cutting them and making them, and it's a really fun, like cute little gift idea. So the next idea is something that I've seen a few people decorate the backs of these mirrors from Dollar Tree, and they're really beautiful. I don't know if you can tell all the detail that's in them, but you know, this is kind of like a really fun gift idea for yourself, for family members, you know, Mother's Day, Christmas, that sort of thing. And then they also, you know, on the front they have this really beautiful mirror with like the scroll work on the outside, and what I did is I added a little logo to it, and it says Bride Squad. So if you're thinking of something for like a gift for a bridal party, maybe as a bride, if you're looking for favors for your bridesmaids, this would be perfect. And the nice thing is it's really customizable. This one I've already sized down to the right size for this mirror, so I have a link in the description box for you. But this would be perfect, so if you're thinking for Mother's Day or just for a friend, you know, a birthday gift, that sort of thing, you can go into Design Space and come up with like just something really cute, you know, saying that they're lovely, or you know, something to brighten their day, and then just kind of add it to the mirror. And it's such an easy gift idea, and it's only $1. It looks really great for that price point. Okay, so the last one that I have that is really cool, I love. Dollar Tree carries these beautiful glass containers, and they're quite lovely. They're heavy, you know, they're perfect for kitchen storage, bathroom storage. You could do so much with them. But I was really in need of a, you know, a container to put my cat and dog treats in, and I thought this would be perfect. So what I did is they have these little windows here that are about 2 inches in size, and they have them all the way around. So you could put spice labels, pretty much anything you want. But what I did is I put a Design Space decal on here. I sized it to fit. This one's a cat and this one's a dog. And I thought this was just perfect, so I can display them. They're cute. You don't have to look at all the wrappers from, like, you know, dog treat bags and cat treat bags and that sort of thing. And I also have food and water dish bowls that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and I just added this kind of like a faux Rae Dunn, you know, wording on them, so it has kind of a farmhouse look. It's very trendy right now, and the nice thing is you can use a permanent vinyl. It will stick. You can wash them. It works really great. I just wanted to add in a few other items that I'm really excited about. They're items that I've DIY'd on my channel recently, and you may not think of Dollar Tree as having, you know, so many great gift ideas and ways to like customize for your decor, because they have a lot of basic items. You go in the store and you think, oh, okay, you know, it's nice, but it's not special. So something I really love is the idea of taking something and then making it more special. So they have these really beautiful, very like simplistic white containers for food storage, and I just took this faux Rae Dunn wording here, and then what it is it's a free font called Cami Ray, and I have the project links with it sized completely to the right sizes for Dollar Tree items. So there's 2 different types of containers. There's a long oval one, and then there's this one that's round. Wouldn't this be amazing for, you know, the holidays, when you're going to holiday parties and you need to bring food, that sort of thing? You can leave it with the hostess if you need to, and it's just a really great presentation and just kind of a great gift idea for someone who does a lot of baking or has like a beautiful home and they really love upgrading their home. So you can just make it for yourself or make it for somebody who really loves, you know, home decor. And also they have these beautiful like spoon rests. They're very classic, basic ones, and I just took some vinyl. You can use permanent vinyl and it'll stay on there through washing, and I just upgraded it by putting rest on the spoon, and that way you have kind of like a matching set. It doesn't cost a lot. This whole set is $5 worth of basic Dollar Tree supplies, so very inexpensive, easy to use. And then I also made these. You guys know lemons are huge right now, so is farmhouse decor, and I just thought, why don't we have like kind of like a cheeky, fun way of, you know, showing our love for lemons right now. So this one is Squeeze the Day, and this one is Easy Peasy Lemon Squeezy. I love that it's like a folk art one, and honestly they don't take very much time to make. It's so quick. So if you haven't tried yet, pick up some of the Dollar Tree cutting boards. They're really versatile. They make great gifts. You know, you can use them on the other side and then turn around and display them in your kitchen, so that way they're cute and still functional. and there's just so many options for that. So if you guys are interested in more Dollar Tree DIY crafts, anything dealing with Cricut, definitely check out my Facebook group. It's Dollar Tree DIYs and Decor. I'm so passionate about it, guys. I can't even explain how passionate I am about it. It's just an amazing group of people. They're so, kind and thoughtful and just wonderful people. And I think you'd love it, so make sure to join there if you haven't. And hopefully you're enjoying my Cricut DIYs. If you have anything that you'd like to see specifically on the channel, make sure to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear, what are you working on? What kinds of things are you interested in seeing more of on this channel? Do you like tutorials? Would you just like more craft ideas, that sort of thing? Let me know in the comment section below. And hopefully these ideas help you to go to Dollar Tree and get inspired, find something fun that you want to do. I'm really excited, and I have so many more DIYs to share with you guys, so make sure to hit that subscription, hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and make sure to hit the notification bell so that way you see my videos in your feed. Thanks so much for supporting the channel and for being here, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you later. Bye!